Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to open a Pokemon Sword and Shield Evolving Skies booster pack. There are 10 cards in this pack, so I'm going to rip it open and see what's in here. Of course, there would be plenty of glue, so we can't get this pack out. There we go. So there's the pack. See what's in here. Got a Molga, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Love Disc, Hippopotas, it's a Drascolt V, Energy, Ribombee, Fluffy, Pyroar, and a code if you want it. First come, first serve. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.